Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present the main idea and supporting details. Here we are from the group of four, which consists of first Tia Eka Intan Pratiwi, second Tia Ayu Rosanti, third Dimas Haryo Prayoko, the fourth David Prasetyo Sejati. We hope you can follow this video very well.
Definition: main idea. A paragraph is the author message about the topics. It is often expressed directly or it can be implied. Chief point an author is making about a topic. It sums up the author's primary message. Main idea. The sentences to the sentences before the topic sentences introduce the question of the physical health of noticed. The topic sentences give us the weirdest main ideas on the topics. The last two sentences develop the main idea by giving specific details of the relevant research. Main idea atau gagasan utama merupakan suatu gagasan yang menjadi inti dari suatu paragraf. Setiap paragraf harus mempunyai main idea agar pembaca tahu apa yang penulis coba sampaikan dalam tulisannya. Namun biasanya main idea bisa diletakkan di tengah maupun di akhir paragraf, tergantung bagaimana penulis menyusunnya. Yang bisa diperhatikan ialah bahwa main idea berisi tentang topik yang dibahas.
How to find the implied main idea? Bagaimana menentukan gagasan utama yang tersirat? Number 1. Read the passage of text. Bacalah bagian teks. Number 2. Ask this question to yourself. What do each of the detail of the passage have in common? Yang kedua, ajukan pertanyaan ini kepada diri Anda sendiri. Apa kesamaan yang dimiliki setiap detail dari bagian tersebut? Number 3. In your own words, find the common bond among all the detail of the passage and the author's point about this bond. Yang ketiga, dengan kata-kata sendiri temukan ikatan umum atau pembahasan yang ada pada semua detail pada bagian maupun per poin. Number 4, compose a short sentence stating the bond and what the author says about the bond. Yang keempat, buatlah kalimat pendek yang menyatakan ikatan dan apa yang penulis katakan. Jadi yang terakhir, menyusun kalimat pendek berdasarkan poin-poin yang telah kita temukan tadi. Supporting details. Detail pendukung. Definition supporting detail: a paragraph contains fact, statement, example specific, which gives to full understanding of the main idea. Definisi pendukung detail adalah sebuah paragraf yang berisi fakta, pernyataan, contoh-contoh spesifik yang memandu kita untuk memahami sepenuhnya gagasan utama. They clarify, elements, explain, describe, expand, and illustrate the main idea and are supporting details. Jadi, pada detail pendukung ini digunakan untuk memperjelas, menerangi, menjelaskan, mendeskripsikan, memperluas, serta mengilustrasikan gagasan utama. Determining supporting details. Menentukan detail pendukung itu ada 3 cara. Number 1, decide which detail help to further storyline. Yang pertama, kita menentukan alur cerita. Number 2, decide which details help you to understand the main idea. Yang kedua, kita menentukan detail mana yang digunakan untuk memahami gagasan utama. Number 3, answer question raised by the main idea. Who, what, when, why, or how. Yang ketiga, jawab pertanyaan yang dia ajukan atas dasar gagasan utama, seperti siapa, apa, kapan, mengapa, atau bagaimana.
I'm Dimas Aryo Prayoga will explain about example main idea and supporting the time. Main idea. Mudharabah financing is presented in chart 1 below. It can be seen that in general, Indonesia recorded the highest value in terms of Mudharabah financing. This result is not surprising as Mudharabah financing is the common mode of financing in rural areas of Indonesia. Supporting details. First, this is most probably the reason for the high Mudharabah financing in Indonesia as compared to the rest of the countries under the study. Second, the result of Indonesia is followed by Sudan and then Bangladesh, while Malaysia and Pakistan registered the lowest Mudharabah financing during the period. Specifically, Indonesia recorded an increase from about $742,400 in 2030 Q4 to about $765,800 in 2014 Q2. There was, however, a continuous decline from about $765,800 in 2014 Q2 to about $578,400 in 2050 Q4 before a slight increase to about $639,000 in 2016 Q2.
Example of question and their answer about main idea. Passing first are common in early childhood. Many 2 to 4 years old are afraid of animals, especially dogs. By 6 years, children are more likely to be afraid of the dark. Other common first are of thunderstorm, doctor, and imaginary creatures. The question is, the start main idea of this paragraph is A. Passing first are common in early childhood. B. Many 2 to 4 years old are afraid of the animal, especially dog. C. By 6 years, children are more likely to be afraid of the dark. D. Other common first are of thunderstorm, doctor, and imaginary characters. The answer is many 2 to 4 years old, the afraid of animal, especially dogs.
There are gender differences in adolescents' satisfaction with their bodies. Compared with boys, girls are usually less happy with their bodies and have more negative body image. Also, as puberty proceeds, girls often become even more dissatisfied with their bodies. This is probably because their body fat increases. In contrast, boys become more satisfied as they move through puberty, probably because their muscle mass increases. The stated main idea of this paragraph is, the answer is A. There are gender differences in adolescents' satisfaction with their bodies.